Welcome to my channel, Chick-Pick English. Subscribe for more videos.
Let's see if you can get this one.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Which option fits best?
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Fill in the blanks correctly.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Challenge yourself with this one.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Choose wisely.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Only a true grammar expert will get this right.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Think carefully before you answer.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Which answer sounds the most natural?
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Spot the correct verb tense.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Only grammar experts can get this right.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Let's put your English skills to the test.
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
How confident are you in your answer?
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
One of these is correct. Can you find it?
Chick-Pick English, learn easily.
Would you have guessed this correctly?
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Test your conditional sentence knowledge.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Make sure you choose the right verb form.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
If you get this right, you're a pro.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Read carefully and pick the best answer.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Is your grammar strong enough for this?
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Make sure you choose wisely.
They're being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
This is a tricky one. Do your best.
Life in these times, it feels like nobody's right. Yeah, so I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you ever what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Let's see how well you understand conditionals.
I don't give a fuck how I keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck how I keep this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Imagine this scenario. What fits best?
Potential, the grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. We're making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
If you know your grammar, this should be easy.
Get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
What would you say in this situation?
I keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck how I keep chasing.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Your English teacher would be proud if you get this right.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
Pick the right answer and prove your skills.
Chick Pick English, learn easily.
What do these words represent?
Chick pick English, learn easily.
This is simple. Can you guess correctly?
Chick pick English, learn easily.
Test your grammar skills with this question.
Chick pick English, learn easily.